Hey guys, welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video. For today's vlog, we are checking out our Philodendron orange marmalade, or there are people calling it Prince of Orange, so it depends upon how you like to call it. So this is really growing beautiful, and this is our shoot. In fact, this is the mother plant and we already have a top cut for this. So we will be helping it out para mapabilis natin yung pag-cut sa kanya in the future, since naglalabas na po siya ng mga aerial roots. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin! For today, we will be doing it in the simplest way. As you can see, parang tatlo na nga yata yung aerial root niya. Pero itong isa is bagong labas lang. Hindi pa siya nakaka-touch sa soil. Meron pang BB na bagong tubo, guys. So we really have to help it na mapabilis para makapag-giveaway naman tayo dun sa isa na lumabas. So ganoon naman talaga. There are some philodendrons that don't really wait. Palaging nagmamadaling lumabas. Kaya ganyan, baka maapektuhan yung tubo niya since meron siyang kaagaw ng nutrients. So we have to be very mindful about that. There are some other layering techniques that you can do about this, but we will do it in the simplest way today. So if palagi kayong nagmamadali, there are really people who don't have much time to look for the materials to use if you'd like to do the mound layering, the air layering, or whatsoever. Eto, pwede nyo tong gawin, guys, kasi hindi din naman kami makakahanap agad-agad ng plastic ngayon, lalo't hindi pa tapos yung ibang naka-layering sa amin dito. Although they are showing progress na, nagpapakita na sila ng mga bagong roots, which is sobrang nakaka-happy talaga. We are seeing the improvements on them, but it's not yet time. So for now, yung pinakamabilis and pinakamadaling paraan na kayang-kaya nyong gawin sa bahay, so you don't have to look for materials that you might not have or you'll take some time for you to look for. So eto guys, kumukuha lang kami ng coconut fiber. We have plenty of them here. Problema lang kasi palaging umuulan, so we have to dry them out. We have to find ways para matuyo siya kasi halos every day or every other day umuulan dito. Our potting media is ready. We make sure to cover it every time natatapos kami para kapag umulan, hindi na kami magkakaproblema kasi mababasa din yan. So, we don't want naman na mag-video kami na basang-basa yung ganyan. He is slicing it lengthwise. Ewan ko kung anong plano niya. Basta sabi niya, simple lang daw to. This is really the first time as well that we will be doing it on some of our plants, guys. And our philodendron marmalade is really the first example. In case he will be placing it like a mat. So, dyan, medyo pailalim yata. Ilalim dun sa mga root na matataas na. So, ilalatag niya yung mga coconut fiber na pinrepare niya kanina. Kasi guys, based on observation, they really hold well onto the fibers that we are using. So, kapag naglalagay talaga kami ng coconut fibers, talagang nagsasanga-sanga ng mabilis yung mga roots and doon talaga kumakapit. And even those na maliliit na chips na ginagamit namin, yung mga maliliit na cocoa chips, they tend to hold it faster, guys. And yun talaga yung napapansin namin kasi dumadami agad yung roots. Since this is a mother plant, as you can see, we are still using the soil kasi ito naman talaga yung ginagamit namin before. Meron talaga kaming soil sa potting media namin before. And look at the newest root, guys, na wala pang or na hindi pa umaabot sa pinaka-soil. So, hindi pa siya nakakakuha ng nutrients para mapabilis natin yan sa pagpaparami. And of course, meron siyang pagkunan ng nutrients. Nirap niya ng coconut fiber. So, coconut fiber is such a big help when it comes to what we do here in our garden. Kasi it absorbs the right amount of moisture. Yung kailangan lang nila, hindi naman sobra-sobra kasi nagda-dry din yung mga ganyan. Pero at least, makakapag-hold siya ng moisture, guys. We are not using a lot of rice hulls anymore. But, they are also good ngayong rainy days, guys. Binabalance na lang kasi namin kasi kapag palagi namang mainit yung panahon, just like before, nako, kailangan talaga naming magkaroon ng mga cocoa cubes. So, ngayon na palagi namang basa, pwede kayong gumamit ng rice hulls since they don't hold too much water. Pero, we opted for soilless potting media na. That's why, hindi na ganun kadami yung nilalagay namin. Mostly decomposed rice hulls na. And if we have aged rice hulls, konting-konti na lang talaga. So, we don't rely too much on them. This is how it looks like right now. So, pretty much how it looks up close. So, ayan. Dinadamihan niya ng coconut fiber, guys. Most of the mother plants that we have here, hindi pa talaga na-change yung potting media using soilless potting mix for them yet. Though we are planning, kasi nga palaging umuulan. So, nakikita nyo naman every time na palaging umuulan, how the water stays in the pot, lalo na dun sa mga merong soil. So, yun talaga yung advantage of switching the potting media into something na talagang perfect during this season. Especially today that it's about to rain na naman, as you can see, the clouds are getting heavier. Just an update, ito yung Philodendron Prince Albert namin, newly propagated, but now it's really recovering na, makikita naman talaga. So, soilless potting media din to, guys, and nandito lang talaga to before, nung sobrang baha dito, still nandito siya, but it didn't really have a problem kasi nga, soilless yung gamit namin. It's the second cut nga pala, guys, because we already have a top cut, which is this one. Ito yung top cut, and yung top cut ng Philodendron Orange Marmalade. So, isa din to sa mga napakita ko before na meron ng damage sa leaves because of that heavy rain, and hindi lang heavy, palagi pa. Based on the repottings that we have done before, medyo madami-dami na tayong na-repot. So, there are really a lot of plants here that have transitioned from using soil into completely soilless pot. So, yung pina-recover namin na Philodendron millinonii, which is the golden one, actually nagka-problem to, and I uploaded it through YouTube Shorts. Kaso nga lang, hindi na-record yung audio. So, here it is, recovering, and as you can see, meron na siyang bagong dahon na papalabas. For us, it's really a good sign na makaka-recover na siya. Our pink princess isn't really that generous in showing its variegation, guys. For the previous months, I do not know if it's because of the fertilizer that we started using, but now, we can see pink na. At least, so this one, oh, it's a good pink pa. We really appreciate even the smallest changes here. So, imimix lang yan ng konti. Syempre, yung nasa ilalim, since it has been covered for many days, and medyo dumaan din naman yung ulan, yung baha, medyo moist siya sa ilalim. So, ayan, imimix niya lang muna. And then, of course, he will be putting it on top. So, ganito lang, guys. Sobrang easy lang, sobrang simple. This way, guys, you don't have to dig deeper para makita yung mga changes kung meron ng mga bagong roots na lumalabas. Kasi they are so soft and they are so loose. So, sobrang easy lang para ma-check if may mga bago ng roots and if may progress na, and if those roots that have been wrapped with or has been matted with a coconut fiber, mayroon ng mga sanga-sanga. So, sobrang dali lang i-check. And once we will be cutting it, pag na-propagate na namin to, of course, we will be including this mix along with the fibers that we have put earlier, guys. Since most of the roots came out in this area and sobrang konti lang, we're not sure if meron bang lalabas dun sa likod. We just place some fiber, but most of the potting media that we will be putting dito lang sa side na to, sa gilid. Kasi medyo patagilid din siya sa pagtubo niya. So, doon na namin siya aayusin once na propagate na namin, and we will be planting it on its own pot. Anyway, for those who are asking kung ano yung itsura ng dahon ng Philodendron Orange Marmalade, this is how it looks like. It is close to Painted Lady. I think that's the Philodendron that is closest to its color. But the newest ones, yung mga bagong dahon talaga niya, guys, medyo orange. That's how I call it. That's how I describe the color. But there are people who can describe it much better. But this is how I see it. So, eto naman yung older ones, I think. Older ones na tong mga nag-turn into green. Because from orange, they turn into parang lighter green, pale green, whatever you call it. There's something yellowish on it. Pero, I do not know bakit meron siyang mga lines na red. And then, pag nag-mature na talaga, totally green na yung dahon. Someone told me before that this is really the Prince of Orange. I don't want to argue, but yun lang kasi was introduced to us as Philodendron Orange Marmalade, medyo nasanay na ako. So, it really depends talaga kung ano yung tawag na nakasanayan nyo sa lugar nyo. Kasi, when you search on Google what is Prince of Orange, it's more like a tricolor for me. But a little bit different. So in case, that is pretty much it, and this is super simple, right? All you have to do is to put some coconut fiber malapit sa roots niya, and then top it with the potting media. So ayan, if you have this type of potting media, but if you are using soil, guys, that would be fine. Basta lang kayo every time na umuulan, make sure nyo lang na mag-dry kasi baka mag-rot siya or pagsimulan siya ng rotting. I just mentioned earlier how cloudy it is today and how it looks like it's about to rain, but now, ayan, it's getting hotter and hotter. Bumalik na naman yung init, as in sobrang init pa. So, sa mga ganitong klaseng init, guys, papuntang lunchtime na, sobrang nakakasunog sila lalo ng mga bagong dahon. And especially, those leaves na palagi naman talagang inuulan on the previous days. And ngayon, bigla na lang maiinitan. So, baka masunog or what else will happen. Basta maaapektuhan talaga sila. So, ayan. Malapit na daw siyang mabaliw kaka-transfer. So you guys, that is pretty much it for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button beside it so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Ayan, sobrang init kasi. So, ayan, nakapag-net na sana. Repa pa more.